How's everybody doing? Today we're gonna move to the next lesson. It's going to be lesson number 2. Last time we saw lesson 1 where we were talking about how to use some tools in TradingView. So we're gonna move to the same thing. I'm just gonna give you some difference. Now, we have some best tools that we can use in TradingView. For instance, the first one that's very important, we can use the trend line. You know, those are the trend line. You remember I already showed you how to add them as your favorite. You go there and you add the trend line to your favorite. Now what does the trend line do? It helps you identify the direction of the market. So how to use them? So it's like you connected one line to the other one. For instance, that's a trend line. So you connect from swings high or swings low to the high. For instance, this is a trending line. You click on it, you take from the swing low to the high. You move it there. See? Place it there. So it helps you to connect it swing high or low to visualize support and resistance. So that means every time the price going up, it drag into that support. It's going up again, it drag into the support. See? It's going up, back to the support. It's going up, back to the support. It's going up, back to the support. So you make a trend line to identify support and resistance. That's one of the best key to use in a stock market. So when the price is going up, it's going down, you use the trend line just to identify the point. So it helps you to identify them. It's very important. Another one that can be very helpful that you can use also, we call it horizontal line. What horizontal line do for you, it marks significant price level, like the same thing like support and resistance. So it's very powerful. It's a trend line. For instance, you click on horizontal line and you identify your resistance. For instance, you got resistances. You know, resistance, anytime the price go to a certain price, it stays there. You know, that's your resistance line. You press it there. And you can always change or switch to any color that you want. You put it as green. So, you know, price move, it hit resistance. It's a straight line. You put your horizontal line. And you could put it also back there at your support. For instance, you can add it here. And then you can change the color, you know, whatever color you want. You can add another resistance here, another support here. Let me just move this to a different color. So you see the price moving up. That's it. You know, resistance can become support or support can become resistance. For instance, you have this price moving there. It hit resistance, is going back to the support. Go back here, is going back. It's the same thing here. Now that resistance become support for this one. So it goes there. That's resistance is going back to the support, moving back to resistance is going back to support. So those are the great tools. Another thing that we can use also, you can use, for instance, you can use this one to remove all the jaw, remove the tree line, and you can use Fibonacci. What is it we call that Fibonacci? This one, remember we spoke about it before. What the Fibonacci do for you? It identifies potential reversal level. It gives you a level. So it's based on the Fibonacci sequences. For instance, you draw the Fibonacci tools between a significant line high and low. For instance, that's a Fibonacci. You can take it from low to high or from high to low. So you can take it, you drag it like this, give you a significant level. See? That's a level. See? Each one is a level. For instance, we have VIX. That's a resistance. It all those things identify resistance and support. You know, resistance and support are the key when you trade. It's identify level to sell, level to buy, level to sell. For instance, the Fibonacci identify the level. We have this one. It's 214, 20, 21, 20. That's the level. The next line is another level at 19. All those are level you can identify for you to enter or to sell. The Fibonacci help you to identify levels. See, that level, and it helps you as support and resistance, as you can see there. Those are the Fibonacci. You can use it. This one. Those are the key. I'm just giving you the main key, the main tools to use to identify level, to identify price level. I've been talking about horizontal line and vertical line. You know, those are very helpful that can help you very, very, very good. Let me just remove it. So, and deactivate it. Now we're gonna move to the indicators. We have indicators. The best indicator you can use, we have what's called moving average. What moving average does for you, it identify also the price level. If you need to find the moving average, you go to indicators, you click on it, and you tap moving average. Moving average, you can say moving average. Moving average. You can put simple moving average. See, it's already been there. See, that's a line. So what moving average does for you? It identifies for you price level. For instance, we use wash. So anytime the price moving going up is go to the moving average. See, identify going up, going that, and the price going that to the moving average. See, identify point level. Let me just put this in color. Identify also point. All those are the level you can identify for moving average. Now, another thing that's moving average does, you know, anytime the price is above moving average, that means the stock is in bullish. So you see, moving average, see the price here, see the price back there, price is behind the moving average. These are the moving average. And the price is behind. Anytime the moving average, as you can see here, the moving average is the blue one, that's the line, is above the price. Whenever it is above the price, for instance, it be above the price. Whenever it is above the price, it creates what you call bearish, because the price is supposed to be above. As you can see there, the price now is above the moving average. Whenever the moving average is under the price, the stock is in bullish. You see, price now. And also it can represent as a support and resistance. You see, anytime the price is going up and going back to that moving average here, it represents a support. So you can buy to that support here and continue moving up, and you retrace back to that moving average. And now it crosses lower to the moving average here. So as you can see, the moving average is above the price. So now that means VIX is in bearish. So that means it's under moving average. So moving average help you for support and resistance, and it's help you also to identify bullish and bearish. Whenever the moving average is above the price which is the candles, that means bearish. And whenever the moving average is under the price, which is the price is here, is the candles, that means bullish. It's help you to identify all those things, which is very, very, very good for you. So I will move them for you. Now, you can use another thing that's very good also. I'm going to tell you that for the next time. We have candlestick patterns. We have what you call candlestick. The candlestick just, it helps you to analyze the market sentiment, like the price. For instance, you can look for like common pattern, like doji. We have the doji. For instance, let me see. We have doji. I can show you how. For instance, now we have the doji. The doji can help you identify or see the price. Now, For instance, how you do that? You can have the doji like this. We can have what you call a hammer, big hammer like this. We can have an engulfing, the engulfing, which is the big candlestick. So I will show you that next time. We're not gonna go there. I don't want you to be confused. So whenever, as I've been told you, the moving average, we're gonna stay on with moving average. Whenever the moving average is under the price, which is the price is there, is that the price, the stock is bearish. And when it's bullish. So whenever the moving average is above the price, you see the price is under now, that means is bearish. I'm gonna show you another thing to make you how you can see when the price is playing. For instance, you can do what we call a play. For instance, you see, if you for anytime you want to buy, you can test it. You can do like a play, for instance. You can cut it from there. You're gonna see how that moving. That's another technique I'm gonna show you. For instance, you can do this a play, for instance. Here, you can cut it from there. Let's say you cut it from there. All right, and then you can play, for instance. Let's say you're gonna play this price. You're gonna see how the price. If you have ever buy here, you're gonna see how the price will be moving. So you put there, see, you're moving the price, for instance. You can pray it, you can practice that way. See? Because if you have ever bought back here, and you're gonna see how it works. You can do that also as practice. 3D is very, very, very nice. It has a lot of tools that you can use, a lot of things that you can do. Let me see if I can move to something nice for you, like NVIDIA. You see? In NVIDIA, what I do for you, what I did, this is the moving average there. I put the moving average here. And I put the price target. For instance, I put here, I could buy at the support. I'm waiting for that to go to 137. And I put a sell, take profit at 140, like there. And I put there, you can use this. Let me just remove it so you can understand. Let me remove everything for you. So let's start from the squash. Now, this is this is like NVIDIA. We're gonna put like a trending line, or we're gonna just let's just put it like a horizontal line. You know, there is horizontal line. You can put it for like resistance and support. Let me just add a support line. We just put it there. Put it with the support. The resistance here is at 142. That's mean I can say here. Whenever NVIDIA goes to 170 or 142, I will sell. You can always set up your chart this way, or you set up your strategy that way. What we will do, we can put a text here. You can add the text here. You just change this on the color. You just put it there. You can say, whenever, you can say, I will sell there. Period. So whenever it goes to that price, we will sell back here. That's mean. And then here you can put on the price here. You can say it, you can, let's say for instance, you said, okay. For instance, let's say that you put it there, for instance, you said when it goes to 142, you will sell at, for instance, you say you said there. And now you can add support here. With the support there. And the support will be 137, 138%. Let me say 137. What you will do, you can add a note also. Add a note there. And you say whenever it's good there, you will buy. I will buy at 138, 124. You can always set up your short the way you want. So we can say you wait for the price because you always buy, you never buy in the middle of the price. You don't buy it there, never buy it there. For instance, you never buy here. Don't ever do that. You always buy at the support and sell at resistance. For instance, you say, I will buy there at 138.24. So you wait for the price. For instance, you wait for the price. This is you wait for the price to go down to buy. You wait for the price to reverse back here. Wait for the price to go back here. And whenever it go back above there, you sell. Go back again, you buy, and when it goes back up, you sell. So you always wait for the price to retrace back to buy. Retrace back here to buy. So that's why I put this line here. I say you buy there. And then whenever it goes back up at 142, you sell. That's why I put sell. You sell here. That's the way. You can. That's why you can set up. You can use this tool for you to identify price. Another thing that you can do also. Let me just remove this. Let me remove it. Another thing, you can do anything here. Let me just remove this line. So what you can do also, you can put what you call a call out. For instance, you can put if it's break. For instance, you click on the call out. You put this point now. If it's break there, you can add a call out here. Let me just put a call out for you. If it's break, for instance, if the price break, let's say you break to 141, because you will sell at 142. If it's break, you go to 142, for instance. You add a note there. You can put a note here. If it break out from 141, I will buy versus with anything. And you will mark it there. That means you will buy at any price you go. And you can put there if now you sell. You can put on that. That's your next resistance price. Sell at 150. See? Because you mark it before. If it goes there, just do this. For instance, if it goes there, remember that. If it's break, for instance, here, because remember, you say you set at 142 there. Now at 141, 142. Now if you put there, you put the call out. If it break 141, because support. Remember, the 140 is your resistance. Now if it break to 141, 140 go to 141, you say I will buy at 141, and then you sell there at 150. You put in next line, resistance line there. That means you put it, you will sell there. We sell at 150. So you can always do many things in trading view. See, you can put it anything. You can put at level this one, and you can put on the level at 145 if you want. You can say you put it there at 141, and you can sell also at one. That's here on the resistance. Also, I can say that's on the resistance. You can put on the resistance line. It's already been there, or you can add this one. 145. You can sell also here at 145. If you break 145, it goes to 150. That's the next resistance. 141. Now you put it down. Well, that's 141. Whenever it's break 141, that's the next resistance. You're going to 150 here. So break 141. Next resistance going to 150. Now 145. Now if it's break 145, the next one will be 150. You can always do whatever you want, but you have to know how to use the tool to mark and to know. And also, you can do, I'm going to show you, for instance, how that works when you replay. Let's say that there, I will buy here because on the, remember, the moving average is above here, as you can see there. I'm going to show you the moving average. The moving average is above. See, the moving average is above the price. The price, that's the price here. So whenever the moving average is above the price, stock is in bearish. Let's say that you will buy here. So you will buy there. Since that you buy. Let's say that you buy here. This price here. So you're gonna see how that will move if you're gonna make money to 142. Let me just cut it for you, and I'm gonna show you how that's played if you want to play it. Now, when you do practice, let's say you will buy there. This candle. See? That's a candle I will mark for you. And then we're gonna play to see how the stock will move. We can do all those practice here. That's how it's gonna move. You see? If you buy there, you see how it's gonna go. And you say you wait, because when you buy, you have to wait, have patience. You see? So go down here, go up, go down a bit, okay? Go up, go up, go up, go up. You see? Move back. You can wait, you can seal it. You can seal the trend, you can seal in the stock market. You don't have to go out, you wait. See? So wait for the trend. See? Move in, wait. See? Stock. How the price moving? And now it's go back. So you sell there at that 140. So you bought here since the price was, how much was the price? You just put it in line to see. You buy there since the price was 107. See, from 107 there, remember the price was there at 107, and you wait, you still in the trend. You don't move, you don't go out, and you see it's been moving up, and then you sell here at 140. Now, as I told you, we can go back when it's break to 140. Now it's 142. See what I'm talking about, because we're doing it live here. You see 142. We can get into. You see, if you bought here at 141, you already at 142. You only $1 more. You can wait for the price to go there at 150, and that's your next target. At 150, you can say that I will sell there. You can put a note here. You say sell. I wait. You can put I wait until get to 150 to be sold. That's it. You can say that. So you wait for that price to go to there. Because anytime you go to that price, 150, you sell. You can put the mark here if you want. Sell there. You put the mark here if you want. You just change the color for you. So you're gonna sell whenever the price go there. Sell here. That's the way. There are plenty of things that you can do. So my friend, if you have enjoyed the video, just do me a favor, subscribe and like. And next time I will show you more and more stuff, how to use TradingView, how you can set up your chart. So do me a favor, like, subscribe, and we will be there next time. Thank you. Just here we bye-bye. See you. Take care. Bye.